Most people think retiring early means making millions. But that's not true anymore, not in the age of AI. AI has changed the game. It's not about working harder, it's about building systems that work for you. Let me show you how people are using AI to create income streams that pay them, even while they sleep. Step 1. Automate income creation. Use tools like ChatGPT, Notion AI, and Pictory to create digital assets, ebooks, templates, or videos. Once they're live, they can earn for years with almost no effort. Step 2. Multiply output. Use AI video editors like Opus Clip or HeyGen to repurpose one piece of content into 10. You're not trading time for money, you're scaling what already works. Step 3. Build passive systems. Use platforms like Durable or Systeme.io to automate sales, delivery, and emails. Once it's running, the system does the heavy lifting. Step 4. Reinvest and scale. The money you make from AI tools? Put it back into automation, or assets that grow without you, like index funds or digital real estate. The truth is, retire early doesn't mean quitting forever. It means having enough passive income to choose how you spend your time. AI gives you leverage, and leverage gives you freedom. So while most people are still waiting for the perfect moment, the smart ones are already building their AI-powered future.